back to my channel. I'm doing a lot of different things on my channel right now. It's quarantine, what else to do? I'm doing content related to current situation. So this period has been testing a lot of people, and everyone are trying new stuff. I'm one among them. I have always wanted to do a chocolate cake, like hot chocolate lava cake that you get in the Domino's. So I just thought I have all the ingredients, why not try it? It's completely my first time. So let's see, it's a flop or a hit. And so everything you're watching is my first time live upfront to you and all. And let's see how it turns out. Let's have fun and start preparing the hot chocolate lava cake. And yeah, before heading to the video, as I always say, subscribe to my channel, very important, and like this video if you like it. So now let's get started. Okay, first I'm taking this maida all-purpose flour, and okay, I'm just gonna take a glass of flour for now. I'm not sure how much quantity this glass contains, so let's see. Let's start. Now I'm gonna just take this much. Let's just see how much. I think this is enough. This is more than enough, I guess. You have crystal sugars with you, so it should be powdered. So I'm gonna put it in a mixer and I'm just gonna grind it. So now I'm gonna take 5 to 6 tablespoons of this sugar. So I have taken 6 tablespoons of sugar, brown sugar. I'm excited. I always love chocolate lava cake. Whenever I go to Domino's, I never fail to order. So this is the powdered sugar. Next to the bowl is cocoa powder. I'm just gonna take 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder, and this is for the outer layer of the cake. I'm gonna take a teaspoon of baking powder. As this is a tablespoon, I'm just gonna take half of the spoon of baking powder. So this much, I guess this much is enough. Let's see how it turns out. And I'm just gonna mix it well so that there are no clumps in it. This is one set. I'm already feeling like tasting it. In another bowl, I'm gonna make a slight mixture of a few things. Let's see what I make. For that, I'm just gonna take a butter, a little bit of butter. I don't know how much is it. I'm just randomly taking a little bit, and I'm just gonna heat it because it's solid. So I'm taking this much of butter. I have a little butter. In this, I'm gonna add a bit of milk. First, I'll just add half glass of this milk in the butter that I have just melted. So here's the container. Look at it. Taking a little bit more. I feel like it's less. Yeah, I guess so. Overall, I guess it was 1 glass of this milk. 2 eggs to the milk and butter mixture. You can skip if you want. I guess egg gives the fluffiness. I'm not sure, but I've heard somewhere that it gives enough fluffiness to the cake. Basically, you need a cup you have seen in Domino's, right? Cups like that, or aluminium foil cups. If you get in a market nearby, it's great. But I don't have. I just have this through glasses, and it's pretty huge for chocolate lava cake. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna cut it into this size. Yes, the cup is ready. It's not in proper shape here, but it's okay. So I'm just gonna make 4 or 5 of these cups until I finish this chocolate mix. So now I'm gonna rub butter all over the cup. So do that for all the cups that you have. I'm gonna take the mix that I have created and put in these cups. So now the favorite part comes. I need Nutella, which is gonna act as the lava inside the cake. So even if you have chocolate like dairy milk, you can use that also. A scoop of Nutella. I'm just gonna add this much scoop of Nutella in the liquid that we have just created. It's gonna act as the lava, as I told you earlier. I can't wait to taste this. I hope it creates lava. I don't know, but anyway, this is how it looks, guys. Chocolate cream that we created and with the Nutella inside it. Now again I'm gonna add a layer of this liquid on the top of the Nutella just to cover it up. And it's done. This is how it looks. So guys, all the yummy 4 cups of hot chocolate lava cakes is almost ready now. Only one step is left.
Now let's just preheat the oven at 180 degrees Celsius.
The oven is ready, the oven is preheated. Now I just have to keep these 4 cups and it will be ready in 10 minutes, guys. So I'll be back in 10 minutes and I'll show you guys how it turned out to be like. It's done, guys. I'm excited. The cake is completely baked. Let's see how it has turned out to be. Fingers crossed.
Ta-da! Wow! It looks good. Let's see. Ta-ta-ta! Okay, I just took this out of the this container. Because of the butter, it just came off so easily. Let's just cut and see. Oh my god. Look at that. There is this chocolate which, oh my god, this is lava. Let's taste it.
It came out just like I wanted. The look is fine. Let's taste it now. I think it's hot. Wow. Wow. It's so awesome. I'm so proud of myself. So guys, that's it for the video. The cake is too yum. I'm so happy. It turned out to be just like the Domino's chocolate lava cake, and I'm so happy about the results. If you liked the video, do not fail to like it. And also, if you want to recreate it, if you want to also do it, you can follow the recipes that I made in this video blindly. It's just so yummy. Before saying bye, make sure you like and subscribe to my channel, guys, without fail. And yes, I'm just gonna enjoy my cake till then. I'll see you guys in my next video. Until then, bye.